Welcome to Tessellations, where we serve you GIS in small bites. Today I'll be covering Interactive Cut and Fill, an exploratory 3D analysis tool in ArcGIS Pro. A cut and fill operation is a procedure in which the elevation of a landform surface is modified by the removal or addition of surface material. The exploratory 3D analysis tools in ArcGIS Pro helps to investigate your data by interactively creating graphics and editing analysis parameters in real time. These tools operate on the terrain and data layers currently visible in a scene view. Click Analysis tab and expand 3D Analysis Gallery. As you can see, there are 7 tools, but for this demo, we will be covering the Cut and Fill tool. It's a fast and interactive tool to explore volume displacement of elevation surfaces while visually demonstrating the surface area where ground will be filled or removed. The tool is great for estimating the volume of soil involved in flattening a plot of land or to calculate the volume of debris removal. It can also be used to calculate the fill volume of a potential reservoir. In this demo, we will see how to use this tool for flattening the land and to maximize the use of existing soil. The tool performs an analysis using an elevation surface that allows you to measure areas and volumes of material that you want to cut or fill. As you can see, there are different methods for creating interactive objects. In this demo, I'll be using the interactive rectangle method to determine the optimal flattening elevation and to minimize the net volume. For elevation surface, I'll use the default ground surface, although you have an option to add more surfaces by right-clicking in the Contents pane on the Elevation Surfaces option. In my scene, I can create the boundary of an area by clicking twice in the view to place a rectangular cut and fill polygon. The tool now converts the shape into a cut and fill object. To level this area, we need to fill the area shaded in green and cut material from area shaded in magenta. The stats window in the scene view gives information about estimated cut and fill areas and volumes. The cut and fill location can be interactively moved through the view, and you can create multiple objects to explore multiple areas of concern. We can also raise or lower the plane by using the green arrow on the object. This is useful for minimizing any wastage of the material. These objects can be deleted from the Properties tab or from the Analysis, Exploratory 3D Analysis, Clear All option. It is important to note that if you change the ground surface that is used to create cut and fill objects, all existing cut and fill objects are cleared in preparation for the next set. It is also important to know that the units of the analytical results are derived from the elevation units set for the map. The analytical results displayed by these tools are temporary and are not saved with the project, nor are they included in map packages. However, their statistics can be exported as a polygon feature class for further use. I think we have covered the basics of this tool, and it is a good stopping point. This has been Tessellations, where we serve you GIS in small bites. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to visit us at www.tessellations.us. Also, subscribe and ring that bell.